Imagine a world where your investment decisions are guided by machines that read millions of documents, simulate thousands of market scenarios, and adjust your portfolio in real time, faster than any human can blink. Today, we're diving into exactly how AI is transforming investing and stock trading, what that means for you, and the 3 surprising traps investors keep falling into. Stick around. I'll reveal the single mistake that causes many AI trading systems to fail and how to avoid it. 1. Quick primer. What is AI in finance? On a simple level, AI in investing means using algorithms, from basic rule-based bots to advanced machine learning and generative models, to analyze data, predict outcomes, and execute trades. That data isn't just price ticks, it's financial statements, satellite imagery, natural language news, social posts, and even shipping logs. The goal is to find patterns humans can't see or to act faster than humans can react. 2. How big is AI adoption right now? AI isn't future talk, it's moist might. It's mainstream. Industry surveys show that over 9 out of 10 asset managers say they are either already using AI or plan to implement it in their investment processes. That rapid adoption means AI is being integrated across research, portfolio construction, and trade execution, not just in niche quant shops. 3. Where AI is showing up. 6 concrete ways. Signal discovery. ML models find subtle patterns in price and alternative data that humans miss. Sentiment and NLP. Natural language models turn news and social chatter into buy/sell signals. Execution algorithms. AI routes orders and slices trades to minimize market impact and fees. Portfolio construction. Optimization engines balance risk, returns, and constraints at scale. Risk monitoring, real-time anomaly detection flags, concentrations, and regime shifts. Personalization. Robo-advisors tailor portfolios and rebalance automatically for millions of retail clients. 4. Real-world scale. Robo-advisors and execution. Digital advice and AI execution aren't small either. Robo-advisors and digital portfolio services crossed major AUM milestones recently. Industry analyses estimate digital advisor assets exceeded $1 trillion around 2024, showing how quickly automated algorithmic investing reached mainstream retail adoption. Meanwhile, algorithmic trading, including high-frequency strategies, dominates trade volume on exchanges. In U.S. equities, algorithmic and HFT activity account for more than half of trading volume, meaning liquidity, spreads, and volatility are all shaped by machines as much as by people. Later, I'll show one real trade execution trick that can save a small retail trader thousands in hidden costs, and most people never know it exists. 5. The economics. Why firms race to AI? AI doesn't just give new signals, it changes economics. Consultancies estimate AI and generative AI could transform cost structures and asset management, potentially affecting large chunks of the cost base. Estimates in major reports range into the tens of % for productivity gains. That's why firms invest heavily. Better alpha, lower cost, faster productization. 6. Case studies and examples. High level. Quant firms. Names aside, modern quant teams use deep learning to process unstructured data, building models that detect micro-patterns across markets. Robo-advisors use risk profiling questionnaires, tax loss harvesting algorithms, and auto-rebalancing to offer scaled, low-cost advice. Retail platforms. Many now offer AI tools, screening, trade ideas, heat maps, lowering the barrier to data-driven investing. Important. I'm keeping names light here to focus on mechanisms rather than endorsements. 7. Risks. What AI doesn't solve and can make worse. AI is powerful, but it brings new risks. Overfitting. Models can learn noise as if it were signal. That means great backtest results can vanish in live markets. Data bias and garbage in. If the data is incomplete or biased, the model reflects those flaws. Regime shifts. Models trained in one market regime, e.g., bull market, can fail badly under stress. Opacity and explainability. Complex models act like black boxes, making mistakes hard to diagnose. Systemic risk. When many models act the same in a stress event, liquidity evaporates. Remember the flash crash of May 6, 2010, when automated systems and order interactions triggered a rapid market collapse and recovery. It's the classic example regulators and exchanges study when building circuit breakers and safeguards. In a bit, I'll reveal the exact question you can ask any AI tool to check if it's overfit, and why that single question exposes its weakness. 8. Practical tips. How you can use AI safely. If you're a retail investor interested in AI-powered tools, here's a practical, conservative approach. Start with the foundation. Solid asset allocation beats fancy signals. Use AI tools to augment, not replace, your plan. Use reputable, transparent platforms. Look for tools that explain methodology and backtests. Cross-validate signals. Don't trade on a single model. Compare multiple sources, quant signals, fundamentals, and macro views. Paper test first. Run strategies on paper or a small allocation before scaling. Watch fees and execution costs. Smart routing matters. Some cheap trades hide execution slippage. Remember the earlier tease out with a trick I'll show in the pinned comments mitigates these hidden costs. Control risk. Always set position sizing, stop rules, and diversification guards. 9. The biggest mistake and how to avoid it. Here's the single mistake. Trusting a model because it performed well historically without testing its robustness across different market regimes and data slices. In plain language, past luck looks like skill. To avoid it, ask the model for stress test scenarios and, for example, show me performance when volatility doubled, when rates rose 200 basis points, and when market liquidity contracted. If the model can't show consistent behavior across those slices, treat its output as tentative, not definitive. 10. What to watch in the next 3 to 5 years. Democratization. Open source models and cloud compute will make advanced tools cheaper. Retail access to powerful analytics grows. Regulation. Expect stricter rules on explainability and systemic risk monitoring as AI becomes core infrastructure. Human plus AI hybrids. The best outcomes will come from human oversight plus machine scale, not one replacing the other. New products. AI-driven ETFs, personalized alpha strategies, and synthetic data markets will expand the investment toolkit. On camera, AI is changing the rules of investing. It brings faster analysis, new kinds of signals, and major efficiency gains. But remember, powerful tools are only as good as the people who use them. If you're curious, start small, demand transparency, and stress test everything. I'm not giving financial advice. These are educational ideas to help you think about the future of investing. Like and subscribe if you want more deep dives. Comment, what AI trading myth should I bust next? Download the free checklist in the description. Risk checklist plus the stress test questions. Tease next video. Next week, I'll demo a live stress test on a simple ML model. Watch how one tweak changes results dramatically.